Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video you will watch me paint the leaf on the wall. So I hope you guys enjoy. I'm using the enamel paint from the hardware store. As I say leaf, you guys might think that green is the only color I'm using to paint it, but that's not the case. Leaf have many different light and shadow falling on it, and so I'm using like yellow, bit of blue and green and white to make this painting. So in the darker area you will see me paint the leaf with a greenish blue, and in the lighter area you will watch me adding some yellow to it and a light green with a touch of white. When you paint leaf, make sure don't put extra pressure on your hand, on the wrist to paint it. Like, let your hands be free and let movement take the place, and let the leaf fall to the downer edge. And when you go to the down part of the leaf, make sure that your hand have literally like no pressure. It's light, very slow and light movement, so it will make it appear more real and it will look more good. So this is one trick that I was following to make this painting on the wall. Thank you so much for watching. Please make sure to share and subscribe if you like the video, and my Instagram is wandering with paint. If you like, you can follow me on Instagram. I keep posting my travel photographs and art photos there. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. Thank you so much for watching.